Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2017 RX350 Executive Package in the eminent white pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with a push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with a pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15 Speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, a QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, noble brown interior, great shape, manual rear door sunshades, rear heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.